Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to Occult Cat TV. So, I'm your host, O'Shea. As well, you can call me Atanu or Cool Cat. I like Atanu, that's kind of my occult author name. And as well, so today what brings me on here is I'd like to talk about the demon or the spirit known as Gaap. He was actually once an angelic spirit, but as well, a lot of angelic spirits chose to go about demonic transmutations in order to either try to achieve balance in some way or achieve balance in some way. A high ranking archangel such as Samael can teach us this form of balance. I have a video on Samael as well that you guys can go check. But today we are doing a video on Gaap. So as I'm doing a video on Gaap, what I wanted to say is that one, shout out to Indigo Priestess. Thank you for all that you do, and thank you for all that you've done. You've really helped me along my path. I remember you were the slipping up on my words, but you were the first occultist that I actually booked a consultation with, booked a reading. And the thing is, I remember even my necklace came the same day as we booked the reading. There was a lot of we live in different places, so there was a lot of interference with the call, but she still helped me out tremendously. So thank you for all that you do, Indigo Priestess. I think she's on a new channel, but if you just look up or type in Indigo Priestess, you will find her channel, you will find her content. So shout out to Indigo Priestess. Thank you for all you do. So with that, she actually just released a video on Gaap, and Gaap actually wanted me to make a video as well, like honestly for the past few months. But I've been so busy, I've been doing other things, working ritual, working with different spirits. But honestly, Gaap has helped me tremendously, so I really owe it to him. And maybe I was just trying to find enough information on him to actually feel like I solidified understanding and knowing him. I haven't just worked with him once, but multiple times within the past few months, and then as well a few times in the beginning. So let's get into the video. So the ways in which Gaap can help us is he can help us initiate through the Qliphoth as well as the Sephiroth. He can help us to better understand ourselves and who we're becoming, and as well as who we are meant to become. He's a spirit that can definitely help you in understanding your true self and understanding your true nature and who you are, and as well attune you. He's a really good, what's coming to my mind is financial and wealth spirit, but through your creative endeavors. So if you're a writer in any way and you're learning like copyright or scripting, for your business, he can help you out in that way. He can help you write rituals. He can help you to write poetry in any ways and just up your eloquence and your ability to write your speech, and as well help you to better understand yourself through everything that you're writing, because journaling is a really good way to connect to yourself. So if anything, he teaches you how to script your life. He teaches you how to better yourself through scripting. When you go into ritual and you're trying to understand what sphere you're at or work with deities, right, you go in and for me, I try to understand and visualize and imagine it and then write down what I need. He's really good at helping you to remember this through your astral memory and attuning you to that. Okay, so for me, guys, when I think of Gaap, I think of an initiatory spirit, a spirit that you can come to when you're first on your path, and he can just honestly help you better understand the path and better understand who you are. Gaap helps with initiations, especially Qliphothic ones, but I believe he is as well angelic in nature originally, so he can help you with Sephirothic initiations. He was a good spirit that I used to kind of merge them. I used Samael, but Gaap was a good spirit to help me understand both sides and the way that both of them think. So that's pretty much going to be the video. He can also make you really good at rhetoric, at writing. He can make you a philosopher, a scholar, similar, really good pairing with King Paimon. Because that emotions and love, and as well with like logic and creativity. So really good combination as well, calling Lucifer first, and then calling upon the spirits or the demons, the Goetia, the Qliphothic spirits, the infernal divine. So with that, guys, that's the video on Gaap. As well, shout out to Indigo Priestess, thank you for all that you do. And with that, guys, as well, shout out to her services and what she does. For myself, I also do something similar. I do recommend go. She has amazing services where she even does 3-day manifestation rituals with you, where she talks and gives consultations. That's beautiful. I'm actually purchasing that soon for a friend to help them kickstart their business, so I do recommend that you guys go get that. And then on top of that, I have my services. I'm just going to throw it out, they're down below. You can get consultation from me, spell work, whatever it might be. I'm not really pushing that in this video, but more shout out to Indigo Priestess, thank you for all that you do. And then as well, shout out to Gaap, thank you for all that you do. I owed you this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. As well, Gaap, a beautiful spirit to connect to if you are if you are just starting out within the Qliphoth, or even if you've mastered it, have gotten really high in the ranks and understanding it. He's a spirit that can help you just to understand the psychology and the psyche behind the Qliphoth and initiations. He's not exactly an initiatory spirit like Hecate, Lucifer, Lilith, but he is an initiatory spirit, or he is a guide of initiations, and he can help you to understand what you're going through, and he in a sense oversees it, you could say. So with that, that is Gaap. I don't really know it as numbers in the Goetia. I'm very shamanic in my workings. I'm a shamanic witch, so as well, shamanic witch, ceremonial magician. So when I do spell work for people, I'm in a sense doing it in a ceremonial magic way, but knowing my mind is the facilitator of the ritual. That is a key that you guys should take with you from today. Your mind, all magic stems from your mind. It doesn't matter, like this is just a candle, right? What truly matters is your mind, in which as well your vibration, how you know things, how you understand things, and as well learn things. I'm someone where I download things claircognizantly. So once I download it, I kind of just know how to do it, and then I just have to do it. Some people are like that. Some people they're already doing it, and they need to be able to download. That's where you take a minute, you take a break, right? You would meditate, which as well, this is something that I teach. I teach shamanism, journeying, meditation, Reiki, as well as occult consultation work, spell work, all these different things. I'm in a sense a magician for hire, a witch for hire, a shaman for hire. So if you guys need my help in any way, let me know. That my email is going to be occultcattv@gmail.com. I will say that again, just in case. occultcattv@gmail.com. So with that, guys, let me know. Everything's below. As above, so below. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.